Hello students, today we will study a poem from class 10th English NCERT, Dust of Snow. This poem belongs to English book First Flight. So students, first of all, I will tell you introduction of the poem. The Dust of Snow is the poem written by Robert Frost by famous American poet. The dust of snow means the fine particles of snow which were shaken by crow from the branches of the hemlock tree. It had changed the poet's mood from dismay to joy again. He has written about a hemlock tree which is poisonous tree. Now students, we will know what does dust of snow symbolize. The dust of snow is the symbol of natural joy and energy. The dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree means passing through the sad and depressing moments. The poet is entering into the time full of joy and optimism. Students, let's begin the poem with explanation. In this video, you will find explanation with line by line of whole poem and detailed summary in the end of the video. So, be careful and listen carefully whatever has been taught. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. There is a word meaning shook. It means shake. Another word meaning hemlock, a poisonous tree with small white flowers. Now students, the poem is set in a scene where the poet is in a bad mood and is walking by a tree, a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. As he passes by, a crow happens to throw some snow dust on him. Whether it falls on his head or shoulders is unknown, as there is no specific mention in the poem. Also, the readers are left in doubt about the bird's specific action, whether the crow was a landing shivering with cold, readjusting itself on the branch, or taking off. It happened to send some particles of snow upon the author. Here the two agents of nature, the hemlock tree and the crow, are signifiers of sadness and gloom, just like the poet's mood was in the opening scene. Let's begin last stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of day I had rued. Here is a word meaning rued. It means held in regret. For reasons unknown, the author was having a terrible day, but the falling of the snow on his head lifted his mood instantly. He had already spent his day in a bad mood, but the rest of it was saved by the crow and the hemlock tree. Generally, hemlock tree and crow are used for negative references, but the poet used them beautifully to portray that inauspicious thing can bring joy and happiness too. One must not take things for granted and should be open and accept whichever way the nature chooses to bless us. Now students, as you know, hemlock tree and crow are known to be negative things, but here both are used for positive thing because of some reason poet was very sad, but when crow shakes leaves of tree and there was a snow of dust, when it shook down on the poet's shoulders and head, suddenly poet got from his sadness, and whatever the day he has going to be rude, it will be saved, and the poet mood will be changed by the hemlock and crow reaction. Now students, I will tell you summary. The sad poem by Robert Frost throws light upon the healing power of nature and tiny things. From a bad mood to ill health, there is nothing that can't be cured by nature, as you know. The author was one such bad day when a crow moved near a hemlock tree dusted snow upon him. As I said you, the snow instantly makes him happier. His day gets a lot of better. Thus, the supremacy of nature as a whole made him realize how petty his problem was. The fact that hemlock tree is poisonous combined with crow being the indicator of doom and fear are used in the poem. As the carriers of happiness in the poem, life of narrator is the poet through these objects has tried to highlight that sometimes creatures linked with negative aspects of life can be the bringer of change and happiness. Being outdoors in nature with all its unpredictably can benefit anyone, anywhere, at any time. Now, in the end of the poem, this poem gives a positive energy and positive message to us because of we have seen in the poem a hemlock tree and crow both are indicators of negative energy, but in the poem poet expresses his own view कि whatever he has bad mood or bad condition of his life, but when crow soaks down tree of hemlock and there was a particles of snow, it casts dust of snow. When it soaked down on his shoulder and head, suddenly poet mood got changed and he whatever he has passed his life he forgot, and he become in a rigorous mood and being saved his rest day whatever he is going to be rude. Now students, explanation and summary has been done. The next poem will be posted in the next video, and if there is any question you can ask in comment. If you want any another explanation, or if you want some lines in Hindi, then you can comment in the inbox.